Alright folks, we quick walk around to the fucking Sierra. Wasted fucking spark coming. Got it in the box, just not fitted it yet. It's got semen injectors, the 83 pound ones, D4 obviously, external wastegate, low comp acrylic pistons, headwork, cam, sentinel throttle body, Swedish manifold, obviously rear suspension, big brakes, 18-inch wheels, the 9-inch, and see in the back, relatively big brakes, just on 235 40 18-inch tyres on there. Quiet exhaust on it at the moment. Has got a side exit here. Nothing pretty about it. It works. I don't give a fuck about pretty as long as it works. This side, the other side funnily enough. Still got the standard tank in it, but it's modified to take the 2 pumps. Can't see it, but it's in there somewhere. Inside, nothing too special. Kind of respect, 2 bucket seats, harnesses. It's got my brake bias adjuster under here at the hydro handbrake. That goes there so I didn't batter my fucking elbow with it. Aye. Boost control down there, vital piece, 6-speed box, vital piece, boost cage there, vital piece, another boost cage there, vital piece, roll cage, vital piece. In the back, nothing too fancy. Battery, woohoo! Light pod for road time when you're out on the road. You've got the big fucking lights. That's it pretty much. It's got some aero stuff on it, just a wee splitter in the front, some aero kickers to try and grab as much as you can at high speed. And the boot spoiler's got a couple of extra bits in it as well. Fiberglass spoiler, bolted down, lightweight. Roof's had the sunroof out it. A bit shite, but it does the job. It's not perfect, it's not a show car, it is a go car. It's tight enough though for a go car. Got a few bits like that in it, cracked arches and stuff like that, you know what I mean? It gets used and abused, what can I say? It's my toy. Fuck what the haters say. I'm kidding, I love the haters. Keep it coming.